With us. Traditional rulers from Anambra State have expressed appreciation to President Muhammadu Buhari for his genuine commitment to the development of the country, particularly the southeast. The monarchs, who were led to the State House by Prince Arthur Eze, were received by the Chief of Staff to the President, Professor Ibrahim Gambari. State House correspondent Adam Musambu reports.
The royal fathers described as fulfilling and reassuring that landmark projects like the second Niger Bridge project, hitherto presented as an impossible task by previous administrations, is now becoming a reality under President Buhari's keen watch. They also listed the Enugu-Onitsha and Enugu-Port Harcourt expressways, amongst others, as critical infrastructure projects receiving government's desired attention. The people of the southeast, Chief Arthur Eze emphasized, never had it so good and are indeed grateful to the Buhari presidency. The delegation also lauded the president for appointing Igbo sons and daughters into key government positions, saying, as custodians of the heritage of the people, they felt it was incumbent on them to come and say thank you on behalf of everyone in the area. The Chief of Staff to the President, Professor Ibrahim Gambari, thanked the monarchs for the show of appreciation, describing the gesture as an incentive for President Muhammadu Buhari to do much more for the region and the country as a whole. From the State House, Adam Musambu, NTA.